Michael, say hi.
Are you seriously?
Yes, I'm bored. Wait.
Watch just some ghosts come up and grab him.
Maybe. You're dumb, Mike.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. Don't be shy. Too bad you already caught on tape. There's no point in hiding your face.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. I like your shirt. It's purple. Purple's awesome.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm zooming in. I don't know. Where are you going? Fly there and be that way. Oh yeah, that's so scary right there. Okay.
Where'd that game go?
What game?
The freaking crazy bird thing about
You mean what the hell?
Angry Birds.
Freaking Dominic. So yeah.
Oh shit! Alright.
Dominic, what are you doing? Oh, very funny. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, what are you doing now? Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Is there anything you want to say?
No.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you for putting it back. What are you... Oh my god, you're so mean.
What is this?
That's a Pokemon. Shut up.
Pokemon?
It is. It's one of the new ones, okay?
You would have Pokemon in you.
Shut up. That's like... Shut up. Whatever.
It's one of the new ones.
Yeah, it is. That's what's it called? Snivy. Yeah.
What's a Snivy?
It's like
This is Smiley.
what?
She said Snivy.
Yeah. Ew, your veins popping out. That's nasty. Whatever. Okay, whatever. I saw you. Wait. Forget it. I don't know anymore. Slick. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I'm done.